Go.
Okay, so right now we're at Shasta Lake for a field trip, and it's May 18th, and it looks like we're having a great time. So I'll show you a couple of other people, and I'll show you both houseboats. There's one of the houseboats right over there. We have two of them. We're on one right now. Okay, let's go. And this is Riley. You recognize him from last time.
At the pre-Thanksgiving party, right?
Yeah, the pre-Thanksgiving party. Okay, what do you want to say?
Pieces over on there.
Okay, let's go. Oh, Mitchell, right before you stop going down. Okay, wait up, man. Where are you going?
No.
No, wait, okay. Okay, he doesn't want to talk right now. Sydney, wait up. Okay, say something for me.
Hi.
Okay, that's a lot. Okay, that's perfect.
That's good speech.
Yeah, that's real good.
Austin, that looks like a foot away. All the way down there.
Yeah, those are huge. Very big.
Film it.
He looks funny. Oh yeah, but it looks cool. Okay, what can you see?
Down there.
Okay, okay. So we're gonna go to the second level, second story. We're on the third story right now. Okay, come on.
Say where you give you the grand tour.
This way. Here's it.
Show them the secret hideout.
We will. Come on.
I'm going.
Okay, we gotta wait till everyone goes.
Here are the really steep stairs and stuff.
Are those good, Curtis?
I'll pass.
Okay, right now we're going down the stairs. Be a little careful. Look at how steep they are. Okay, let's go. He's like the person he's Austin's dad. The person that made all the food and stuff.
Some of it.
A lot of it.
And we
And the
have
ice chest, it's full of Cheetos and Doritos and Fritos.
and can't forget all the Go-Gurts and the pudding.
Yep, okay. Okay, let's move around over
Don't
here.
forget the people.
Hey, this is Shelby, but she's shy, so open your hands up. Oh, look at the braces! Look at those braces! Did you get them, Phil?
Almost.
Hi.
Did you get them? Oh, that's good.
This is me.
Justin, I'm gonna be in the underground.
Zoom up. Get the braces.
Shelby! Come on, Shelby!
Shelby has beautiful
Want to see my teeth? They're
She
ugly.
has beautiful teeth.
Make sure you get that in there.
Yeah, look at those. Oh, come on. Oh, we almost had them. Oh, come on, Shelby. Zoom in. Come on, Shelby.
Come on, show them off, Shelby. Show them off.
Open wide. Open wide. Open wide.
Does yours have a what?
Did you get them yet?
Austin, I'm gonna be in the underground.
Okay. Oh, did you get those?
Yep.
Did you get them? Okay, let's go. This is Ayla. Remember her? She was a pro wrestler. She was a pro wrestler, and she's still good. She's gonna kill the apple. Whoa, and this is the spinning thingy. Okay, let's go down to the second floor. Oh, wait, we're not done with the second floor. Okay, go ahead. Justin. I thought there was. Okay.
No long stories this time, okay?
Okay, this is the bed. This is the way to the middle of the thing. Okay, this is a bedroom, and that's TV. We're not allowed to turn that on because it's the rules. And this is a bed without any sheets. Okay, and this is my best. This is like my favorite. In here, this is my favorite.
It helps me.
It helps me. Yeah, it's comfortable.
You guys, we have to go the other way.
Okay.
Go to the background. Background, guys.
Yeah, we gotta go back on.
Oh, you get that.
Back here. Yeah, who's this? Chandler. That's Chandler, right? Hi. Hi. Let's go. Bye. Bye. Okay, this one. Come here, long. Okay, this is the driver's seat, and we're not allowed to touch any of that except that. That's the point. And this is Kevin. Kevin is shy too. There's Kevin. And here's a murderer.
Show them on the ground.
And a spider. Okay, come on, let's go. See, this is Shelby again. Okay, we saw her already. Now, here's the one. Austin. Okay, come on. We're going to the first store. We're on the first floor. Okay, be careful. Be careful.
We have to go back
Kind of
around
creepy.
to do the floor.
It's kind of creepy, okay? Let's go the other way. Let's go.
Yeah, you can't go down this
Let's
way.
go the
guys.
other way, okay?
You gotta go down the back one. Are you
Come on.
taking pictures?
No one filming.
Don't film me. Get the move out of the way.
You bring it back, they'll,
Okay, this way. Didn't you see the floor? It's like clean.
I know.
It's so clean.
Big cleanup job for the people when they get the boat back.
Yep. Okay, this is the swervy way. Now we are on floor 1. And this is my also favorite part. A slide. Okay?
Woohoo!
Get the slide. And I don't know what this thingy majiggy does.
Sounds like shower.
Yeah, it's a shower. Okay, this is a bed. Okay, this is another bed right there, and that's
2-story bedroom.
a closet. And up there is a bed. And my other favorite spot. No, that's not it. I'm here. My other Austin. Okay, yeah, that way. That's cool. Okay, Austin, my other favorite spot. The bathroom. My second favorite. Bathroom. And that's the one we were just in. See? Okay, that's.
You guys are doing that tour. Get out.
Okay. Okay. And look at this secret spot. Except it's not really secret. It's not secret anymore. Okay, so let's go. Let's finish this because that's my third favorite. Okay, and this is like the kitchen. Okay. This is it says the date and that's our school, Turtle Bay. Birds of Prey holiday. Okay, and that's another big screen TV. We have to get our animals. Go. Austin. Okay. Yeah. Stop filming. Okay, let's go. That's Moana. She got a little hood. Okay, now.
Let me see, that's the grand tour.
Okay, and that's the grand tour. We'll get back to you outside. Come on, let's go. Come on. Kenny. Okay, right now we're going on a tour. We're going to take a little walk around somewhere. We don't know where it's going to be. See, look at that. There's 2 of them. Look at that. 70 right there. That's 70 and that's 71. 70 and 71. Oh yeah, oh man. Okay, there it is. They look almost exactly the same. Or maybe. Okay. Okay, let's take a tour. Come on. Right now we're on a field trip. Have I already told you that?
I don't think so.
Okay, right now we're on a field trip. Our second field trip of the month. We're going on 4.
Well, for me, I'm only going on 3.
Yeah,
because
he's going to go to Disneyland. Isn't that fun?
I found 2 crystals.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Should I stop recording right now or no?
Well, come back to you later, okay? See ya. Bye.